Struggling to make your money stretch between bills, fun, and savings? The 50-30-20 rule might be exactly what you need. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting method. You divide your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. First, allocate 50% of your income to essential needs. These are your must-haves, things like housing, food, transportation, basic utilities, and insurance. These are the non-negotiables in your monthly expenses. Next, set aside 30% for wants. These are things that improve your quality of life, like entertainment, travel, and treating yourself to the latest fashion or gear. Just remember, wants are optional and should be flexible. And finally, put 20% towards savings. This includes paying off debt, building an emergency fund, contributing to your retirement, or investing for future goals. This is how you secure financial freedom over time. Let's say you bring home $3,000 a month. You'd use $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 for savings. Simple, right? This structure keeps your spending balanced and intentional. This method gives you clarity on where your money goes, helps you avoid overspending, and sets you up for long-term success. Take control of your finances. Start using the 50-30-20 rule today. You've got this. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Curious Mind for more simple, smart tips to grow your money and your mindset. See you in the next video.